Hello children, how are you all? Today we are going to start a new lesson, lesson 12, the sun, the moon and the stars. Children, first we will study about the sun. See in this picture, this is sun. You know that children, the sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east, a new day breaks. When the sun rises, a new day begins. Animal and plants wake up. When the sun rises, animal and plants wake up. Birds blooms into flowers and the flowers come out from the birds when the sun rises. The sun seems to move across the sky. Where the sun seems to move in the sky. It sets in the west every evening. See in this picture, it is a picture of evening and the sun sets in the west. The day ends. When the sun sets, the day ends. दिन खत्म हो जाता है. Night begins. Now, the sun is bigger than the earth. See in this picture, this is sun. And sun is bigger than the earth. Where we live on earth, earth is smaller than sun. Sun is bigger. But it is very far away from us. Sun is very far away from us. That is why it is looking very small. From far away it is looking very small. So it look very small. It is a big ball of fire. See, it is a ball of fire, big ball of fire. It is very hot. You know the sun is very hot. It gave us heat. It gave us light. You know that children, the sun gave us heat and the sun gave us light. Now we will study about the moon. See in this picture, this is moon. Have you seen moon? At night, we see moon in the sky. The moon is smaller than the sun. The moon is smaller than the sun. Sun is bigger. The moon shines at night. When the moon shines at night. Have you seen moon, children? Like sun, the moon is also round like ball. Moon is also like a ball, like sun. Sun and moon both is looking like a ball. It is called full moon. When the moon is full, we call full moon. Sometimes we see half of the moon and sometimes we see the moon at all. We cannot see. Sometimes we are seeing the moon at night. Sometimes we are not able to see. It is called no moon. After no moon, we see new moon that is like a bow. It is called crescent moon. The moon seems to change its shape each night. When children, sometimes we are able to see the moon in the sky, but sometimes moon is not there. The moon seems to change its shape each night. Every time, sometimes full, sometimes half. The moon is called natural satellite of the earth. It is the natural satellite of the earth. See in this picture, children, this is no moon. We are not able to see the light of the moon. This is crescent moon. We are able to see this part of the light. This is half moon. We are able to see the half moon. This is full moon. The light is full. Half moon. This is half moon. And this is crescent moon. We are able to see this part of the moon. See, this is, and there is no moon. No light is there, so no moon. Have you understood, children? Now we will study the stars. Have you seen, children, stars? See in this picture, these are stars. Where we see stars? In the sky. When you see the sky, stars at night. There are many stars in the sky. Where we saw the stars in the sky. We cannot count them. Can you count the stars, children? No, we cannot count them. They are countless. Stars appears a dot of light in the sky at night. We saw the stars at night and it is a dot of lights. Only we see their lights. They twinkle in the sky. When they shine, they twinkle in the sky. We do not see them during the day. During the day, we cannot see the stars. Have you understood, children? Now, I know The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. You know the sun rises in the east, children, and the set in the west. The sun is a big ball of fire. Sun is a big ball of fire. The sun gives us heat and light. The moon shines at night. Where the moon shines at night, the moon seems to change its shape each night, sometimes full, sometimes half. It seems we see stars only at night. When we see the stars only at night. Stars twinkle in the sky. Where the stars twinkle? In the sky. Have you understood, children? Now I am going to explain you question answers. Take the right word printed in bold. The sun rises in the east, west, east. So we will tick here. Okay. When the sun rises, the day begins or ends. When the sun rises, what happened? The day begins or ends? The day begins. So we will tick here. The sun, moon give us heat. Who give us heat? The sun or the moon? Sun. So we are going to tick here. The sun, moon seems to change its shape each night. Who is changing their shape each night? The moon. We are going to tick here. The sun, stars, the moon, stars twinkle in the sky. Who twinkle in the sky? The stars. So you are going to tick on stars. Write T against truth statement and F against false one. The moon is a big ball of fire. The moon is a big ball of fire? No, false. Who is the big ball of fire? Sun. The moon is smaller than the sun. True. Moon is smaller. We can count all the stars in the sky. Can you able to count the stars? No, false. Stars give us bright light. True. The sun is very far away from us. Yes, true. Sun is very far away from us. Now match different types of the moon with the name. This is column 1, column B. A and B. Recent. See, this is the recent means. See, the shape of the moon is half. Recent. Half moon. See, this is half. Full moon. We are going to match with the full moon. See, this is full moon. And this is recent moon. This is half moon. Have you understood, children? Now, see in this, identify the following picture and color them. See which picture it is of sun. See, it is like a ball, round. This is a picture of moon. And this is stars. Have you understood, children? I had finished this lesson. I will give you homework, children. We will see you in the next class, children. Bye.